Jumping from there.
Yeah,
They go
here.
up and they will jump.
All right, guys, it's another place now. I love the water. So this is the place in Tetuan. I don't know the name, so let's explore the water. It's nice to unwind here and have some tea because it's winter now. Wow, look, guys, it's nice to swim, but obviously it's winter. Oh, it's like swimming pool. Oh, it's like swimming pool, huh? Running water, guys. So, wow, nice to dive. But not now. It's winter now. But you see, it's a sunny day. Look the view around. Let's go over here and take some look. Oh, wow, that is the water from the other side is going here. Oh my god, it's nice to swim, guys. But it's winter now. Oh, the guy is getting water. The water is clear and clean. Look. Alright. So that's the first water and the exit next to this place. Oh, wow. Look the place, guys, and the trees. The trees is dry because it's winter. It's not healthy trees. Hi! You wanna jump? Yeah, it's nice to jump. Guys, it's a sunny day now. This is the rocks here. And there's a ship over there. Alright, guys. So nice. Yeah. It's done. Thanks for watching, guys. Please comment, share, and like. Aloha Wanderer TV. Good afternoon.